All right, Ray Jr. is ready to put a parachute on this beast, and let's see if it really, I don't even know if it'll start. Hold on, everybody. Whoa! Whoa! Anybody can hear me, and I'm at the front of the friggin' car. I'm still backing up. Wow. Holy night! Oh, thank God.
Like what he did with the scrap vinyl?
Yes, he was telling me.
Rather than throw $1,500 worth of scrap vinyl out.
I'm glad you mentioned it. That's on the video now, scrap vinyl. Look what you can do, kids.
Rather than throw it out.
What do you think?
If you know what you're doing. And they know what they're doing over here at the Colleen Clubhouse. Oh, jeez. That's great, Ray. Wow. Any final words?
Nope.
Dad? Booyah. Okay, that's it for this video.